I'm so excited. I got this laundry thing. It's called Planet A because there's no Planet B. It's so funny. It's these people are being so funny and creative with their product these days. So this is actually an eco-friendly laundry detergent. They are called laundry strips. It says like no toxic. What is it? Here saying non-toxic, plastic free, vegan friendly, biodegradable, hypo hypoallergenic. I don't even know how to pronounce it, so so let me unbox it and see what's here. Let's see. They were about $13, $13 to $15 each, so which was good price. Look, these are all like a bunch of strips. So one, two, you just take one, you can fold it, take it half and throw it in the laundry. That's it. Yeah, each strip, there's like 20-30 of them here. So you just take one and then fold it. So this is how they look like. Very simple. There's I used them in the past in another brand. I think that was called the Planet Earth or something. But yeah, these are pretty cool. They do the job. And I'm super happy. They cleaned my clothes and the sheets and everything. Perfect. So super simple. I highly recommend if you wanna use like a less plastic. It's good to have go to some sort of alternative stuff. Thanks so much thank you so much for watching. Bye.